Just making a stick guard for my David Brown. This is just the start of it. So getting sticks in my radiator. So had a couple of ideas. So I just decided to slap one of these on, start making it, and put a bit of the grill in the front of it, stop the sticks getting in. So stick around. Well, I've just tacked it all together so far. I'm going to finish up welding and eventually put some flat plate along there just to support that for fitting small branches. I'm going to cut that out and that's going to go in the front of it. So yeah, stick around for part 2. That to be welding it all together and painting it and fitting it onto the David Brown. Okay, cheers.